Hi there, welcome to a drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a bus stop. So you can see that I'm using my ruler and my brown pen to draw the bus stop. First of all, you have to draw a straight line and two tiny angled lines. Let's fill this portion with brown pen. I'm using the same brown pen to draw some small lines. I will draw some rectangles. And I will fill all these rectangles with brown pen. It's looking like a bench. Now I'm using my blue pen. Make a straight line in both sides. Let's connect them. It's looking like a rooftop. Draw another line. Be careful, don't cross the bench. Perfect. Draw two small lines. Now I'm using my cyan highlighter pen. Now I'm trying to create a glass effect by my cyan highlighter pen. I will do the same thing again. Again, and I'm done. Now I'm using my cyan colored pencil. Wow! It's really looking like glass. Now I'm using my blue pen. Let's fill it with blue pen. I'm using my pencil a bit. And I will color this with my pencil to create a light gray color. One more line. Another one. I will fill this part also with my pencil. Another line, and let's connect all together. Wow, it's amazing! Now I'm using my cyan pen. It's not looking perfect, but it's just a measurement. I'm using my cyan pen. Now I can clean this part. Let's write bus station with black pen. Now I'm drawing to bus stop sign. To do that, I'm using my compass with a pencil in it. Now I'm using my blue pen. I will draw 2 more circles. Okay, now I have to draw a tiny bus inside the sign. To do that, I'm using my black pen. Perfect. Let's fill it with cyan colored pencil. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.